When you first sign into BirthMark, if you're not a tattoo artist, you're going to see your icon appear on the upper right corner. When you click on it, you're going to see a window pop up. You can visit your profile from here. You can update your profile. You can see all the notifications you receive, manage all of your assets and your actions on the platform, and sign out. If you're a certified tattoo artist and if you'd like to become a creator at BirthMark, you can apply here. BirthMark is a curated platform to provide the best user experience to all users. Any user can sign into BirthMark and buy a tattoo. The platform is curated for creators. After your application process is completed, you can just refresh the page and now you're going to see a Create button. If you scroll down, you're going to see testimonials from our Genesis artists. You're going to see the new artists that joined the platform, and you're going to see the collections with the most recent activity. You can read about our vision on our red paper, and you can explore our gallery where you will see all the tattoos that are listed or created on BirthMark. Let's start with updating our profile. When I go to my profile, I see I don't have a banner yet, and my profile picture is just a standard one. I can see that I have the artist tag and the different tabs where I can see the tattoos that I created, the tattoos that I put on sale, my collections, and all the tattoos that I collected from other artists. Let's update our profile first. And now it looks better.